Good morning, children. I am Supraja, your English teacher. In the previous session, we started with lesson number 2, Rikki Tikki Tavi Goes Exploring. Did you all complete the assignment? Yes, I hope you have written the assignment neatly in your notebook. Children, do you remember what is the first new word that we have learnt? Yes, it is sniffed. So, the mongoose, Rikki Tikki Tavi, was sniffing at boy's ear. So, what is the meaning of sniffing, children? To detect smell. Okay, children, with the audible inhalation. Audible inhalation means you can hear the sound. So, sniffing means doing like this. So, generally, we see dogs, puppies sniffing at our feet. Yes, children, because the animals have the ability to identify a person or thing with the help of smell. That is the reason they sniff. So, let us do one activity. Yes. Children, now you know what is sniff. I said mongooses have the ability to fight with snake. They can kill the snake. So, do you know what the sound does a snake make? Hiss, hiss. So, can you hiss like a snake? Hiss, hiss. The sound made by the snake is called hissing. Hiss. Okay, children? Now, another word, blink. So, for that, I'll remove my specs. So, children, do you know what is the meaning of blink? Closing and opening eyes quickly. So, can you blink? So, let's start our activity. Children, sit straight. Blink your eyes. Sniff. Now hiss like a snake. Hiss, hiss, hiss. Yes, very good. Now again I'll tell you. Sniff. Blink. Hiss. Blink. Sniff. Okay, very good. I hope you have done correctly and you enjoyed this activity. Okay, you can do this activity and play with your sister or brother. Okay, children, now let's start the session.
Children, before we continue today's session, we shall quickly recap what has been taught in the previous session. Rikki Tikki Tavi Goes Exploring, written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. Joseph Rudyard Kipling was an English writer, poet and novelist. He was born in India. He was educated in Britain. The most popular books written by him are The Jungle Book, Kim, The Man Who Would Be King. At the age of 42, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. Children, Nobel Prize is the prestigious award in the world, and Rudyard Kipling is the youngest person till now who has received this award. Mongoose. Mongoose lives in burrows. Mongoose has long and furry tail. Mongoose is well known for its ability to fight with the snake and kill the snake. New words: sniffed, veranda, fluffed, explore, companion, bloodhound. Meanings: sniffed means trying to detect a smell. Veranda, the roof space that runs along the outside of a house. Fluffed means to make something appear fuller and softer. Explore means travel through unknown areas to learn more about the place. Companion, a person or animal with whom you spend a lot of time. Bloodhound. It is a breed of dog which has a keen sense of smell. The four main characters in the story are Rikki Tikki Tavi, Teddy, Teddy's father, Teddy's mother. Introduction. One day, a flood washed away a young mongoose from his burrow. He is found and rescued by a British family living in India. Rikki Tikki Tavi looked down between the teddy's collar and neck, sniffed at boy's ear, and climbed down to the floor where he sat rubbing his nose. "Good gracious," said Teddy's mother, "and that's a wild animal. I suppose he's so tame because we have been kind to him." Children, in the first paragraph, we see the behavior of Rikki Tikki Tavi. He sat on Teddy's shoulder and sniffed at the boy's ear. Then he again came down, sat on the floor, rubbed his nose. In the second paragraph, we see the mother, Teddy's mother, is surprised. She says, "Though the mongoose is a wild animal, it is so tame." Means it is friendly and harmless. Maybe because the family has rescued him and they were kind to him. That's the reason the Rikki Tikki Tavi is also kind to the family. "All mongooses are like that," said the big man who was her husband. "If Teddy doesn't pick him up by the tail or try to put him in a cage, he will run in and out of the house all day long. Let's give him something to eat." They gave him a little piece of raw meat. Rikki Tikki Tavi really enjoyed it. Yes, children, what the father said? Teddy's father said, all mongooses are harmless. And if Teddy doesn't trouble the mongoose by pulling his tail or trying to put him in cage, Rikki Tikki Tavi will happily run inside and outside the house. Then they gave him a raw meat, a little piece of raw meat for eating, which he really enjoyed. When it was finished, he went out into the veranda and sat in the sunshine. Yes, children, after Rikki Tikki Tavi finished eating the meat, he went out into the veranda. Veranda is the place outside the house, and sat in the sunshine. So it sat under the sunlight. He fluffed up his fur to make it dry to the roots. Then he felt better. What he did in the veranda? He fluffed up his body. Means he shook his body vigorously so that the water in the fur is removed. So animals like fluffy animals like cat, dog, we see they shake their body. Yes, they do because they want to dry their body. Then he felt better. Usually we feel better when our body is dry. So here Rikki Tikki Tavi also felt better after he fluffed up his fur. "There are lot of things to explore in this house," he said to himself. "I shall certainly stay and look around." So what is Rikki Tikki Tavi saying to himself? Yes, it is thinking, it is planning to explore the house. Means because the house is a new place for it. Yes, what is the meaning of explore? Travel through unknown areas, learning more about the place. So here Rikki Tikki Tavi want to explore. It want to know about the house. It want to see all the surroundings, things, and how many rooms are there, what are the things are there in home. So it want to learn about the more about the house because it is new to this house. "I shall certainly stay and look around." So he is planning the whole day. I will go and look all the things. He spent all the day roaming about the house. He nearly drowned himself in the bathtubs, put his nose into the ink bottle on a writing table. Yes, children, the meaning of roaming means moving here and there. So what did Rikki Tikki Tavi do? It was moving here and there in the house. He went into the bathroom. He saw the bathtub. So the mongoose tried to see what is there in the bathtub and slipped inside the bathtub, where he drowned in the water. Drowned means totally inside the water. The body is totally inside the water. So Teddy again saved him, picked him up from the water and saved him. Next, what he did, he went near the writing table. He saw a ink bottle, and to see what is there in the ink bottle, he put his nose. He tried to sniff the ink. So it is so funny that all the ink has stick to his nose. Here you can see the image of a little girl who also have all the colors on her face. So even Rikki Tikki Tavi was looking so funny with the ink. He climbed up into the big man's lap to see how writing was done and burnt his nose on the end of the big man's cigar. Children, Rikki Tikki Tavi went near Teddy's father. What he was doing? He was writing something and he was sitting and writing something. So Rikki Tikki Tavi climbed onto his lap and he wanted to see how writing was done. Then what happened? Rikki Tikki Tavi burned his nose on the end of the big man's cigar. Children, you see a cigar. A cigar has a spark of fire at its end. See, some people have a habit of smoking. Children, smoking is very bad. It is not good for health. But here Teddy's father has a habit of smoking. He kept the burning cigar on the table, which has burned the Rikki Tikki Tavi's nose. At nightfall, he ran into Teddy's nursery to watch how kerosene lamps were lit. Children, nightfall means evening time when it gets dark. So what do we do when it gets dark during 6:30 p.m.? We switch on the lights. Yes, children? Yes. But this story is written in 1894. There was no electricity or current during that time. So people used kerosene lamps during the night time for light. So here Rikki Tikki Tavi ran into Teddy's nursery. Nursery means a room of kids. So Rikki Tikki Tavi ran into Teddy's room to watch how kerosene lamps were lit. Children, kerosene is a fuel. It is a oil, or we can say it is a type of petrol. Okay, children? So you can see the three types of kerosene lamps in the images. When Teddy went to bed, Rikki Tikki Tavi climbed in too. But he was a restless companion. He got up at every noise and went off to find out what made it. Children, when Teddy went to sleep on the bed, Rikki Tikki Tavi also followed him and climbed on the bed. But it was a restless, means unable to take rest, unable to sleep. Why? Because Rikki Tikki Tavi was hearing some noises. So he got up at every noise and went to see and find what made that noise. Okay, children, he got up at every noise and went off to find out what made it. So he is trying to find what is the thing which made that noise. Children, we'll continue the lesson in the next session. So, do you observe the words in orange color? Yes, those are verbs in past tense. So, you can observe the verbs in past tense in every paragraph. I have typed in orange color. So, children, you have to read the story from your textbook and underline all the verbs in past tense. Okay?